Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date, because outdated builds let unwanted ads slip through. Open Settings and go straight to Privacy and Security. You'll act there. Make sure you're signed into Chrome so bookmarks and passwords are safe, then pause any other extensions that might interfere. Once done, open Site Settings. This is where permissions and pop-up controls live, and you'll change 3 key controls to stop dirty ads quickly. Now you'll block the main delivery channels for intrusive ads. Go to Site Settings and set pop-ups and redirects to block. This stops most pop-up-based ads. Next, set ads to block on sites that show intrusive ads so Chrome prevents known bad ad experiences. If a specific site keeps serving dirty ads, clear that site's cookies and reset permissions. This removes lingering scripts and forces a clean reload. Make sure to test the site after finish by removing extensions and scanning for malware. Open Chrome, / extensions and disable or remove anything unfamiliar. Many ad injectors hide in extensions. Then run a full system scan or use Chrome's cleanup tool to find and remove programs that inject ads into the browser. If ads still appear, reset settings to default or reinstall Chrome to eliminate persistent changes. Troubleshooting tip: if a site continues to show ads, test in an incognito window. If clean there, a local extension or cookie is still the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.